In today's video, you will learn how to make a Google Docs professional resume. This quick guide will show you how to create, customize, and share a professional resume using Google Docs. Start by opening Google Docs and signing into your Google account if needed. On the home page, choose a resume template instead of a blank document to save time and get a professional layout instantly. Once the template opens, replace the sample text with your own information. Add your name, contact details, work experience, education, skills, and achievements. You can edit, remove, or add sections anytime to fit your needs. After customizing your resume, click the Share button in the top right corner. Change the access setting to anyone with the link, then copy the link to share your resume easily. If you want a downloadable version, open the File menu, select Download, and choose PDF format to keep the design clean and professional. And that's it. Your Google Docs professional resume is ready to use and share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.